Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a complete blog in Webflow in under 60 seconds. Whether you're brand new to Webflow or just looking for the fastest way to get a blog set up, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to get your content live and looking sharp with the power of the Webflow CMS. Let's not waste any time and dive right into it. So the very first thing you'll want to do is head over to the CMS collections in your Webflow project. If you're not familiar, CMS stands for Content Management System, and in Webflow, collections are basically the heart of any dynamic content, things like blog posts, team members, portfolios, you get the idea. Go ahead and click Create New Collection. This will be the foundation for your blog, holding every post you write. Name your collection something like Blog Posts, so it's easy to recognize later. As you're setting this up, Webflow will ask for some fields. These are just the pieces of information you want in every post, like a headline, an image, maybe a category or author name. Just like filling out a form, it's worth taking a second to think, what do I want to show for every article? But if you're in a hurry, you can stick with the basics, headline and content, and add more later. Now create your first post by clicking Add New Item. This is where the magic starts happening. Fill in the headline, think of it as the newspaper title, clear and catchy. In the rich text area, add your content. You can write a quick introduction, maybe a story or an update you want to share. Don't worry if you're just testing things out, you can always come back and change or delete this later. Once you have your post, let's make it visible on your website. Head to the Add Elements panel, which you'll find on the left side of Webflow's Designer. Find the collection list element, drag and drop that onto your page where you want your blog feed to show up. This list is what will pull in your posts from the CMS and display them automatically. It's kind of like setting up a repeating pattern. You design one style and Webflow handles the rest for every post. Now with the collection list selected, look for the source setting and choose your new blog post collection. Instantly, you'll see a placeholder box for each post you've created. This is a great moment you're linking your content to your design. Inside each item, add a heading element and connect it to your post's headline. This tells Webflow, hey, for every blog post, put its title here. Next, add a rich text element under your headline. This is where the main content of your blog will appear. The rich text field lets you get creative. You can add subheadings, paragraphs, even images or links, all directly inside your posts. As you build, imagine each blog post populating with its own unique combination of headings, stories, and visuals. And here's the best part, you can customize anything from fonts and colors to spacing and layout so your blog matches your style. Don't stress about making it perfect right now, you can tweak and refine as you go. And that's it, in just a few steps, you've set up a working blog ready for endless updates. It's honestly amazing how fast you can get this rolling with Webflow. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know any questions or tips you have down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Webflow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.